Hi, and welcome to user-defined character graphics for the Commodore 64 that Claire has kindly done for us. In this example, she has designed a user-defined graphic of her initials CF. So I've taken the values she has given me from her graph paper design and put them in a program listing we have used previously. I'll now bring up that program listing, and here it is here. As you can see, I've entered in her data statement numbers, which in this case is 119, 132, 132, 132, 135, 132, 132, and 116. So we've been able to define 64 pixels, that's that 8 by 8 grid, with just 8 numbers by adding up the rows. So what I'll do now is I'll type run. We'll see what happens. It is a Commodore 64, so it takes a little while for it to run through, do those things, and now it tells us that we're ready. And if I now press the left square bracket, we can see there we're getting the initials CF. And because it is actually a character graphic, I can actually use the backspace and delete it as well. Anyway, that really concludes this little exercise, and I'll see you on the forums on Facebook. Alright, thank you. Good night.